Welcome to one of the world's largest flower gardens. In English, it translates to kitchen garden, and it's also known as the Garden of Europe. Welcome to Keukenhof. We're visiting Keukenhof Garden, the most famous garden in the Netherlands. Over 2 million visitors flock here every single year, and it's only open for 7 weeks at a time. People come here to see the most famous flower, the tulip, which is what we're going to go and check out right now. No spring trip to the Netherlands is complete without visiting Keukenhof. The exact opening dates change from year to year, but it's generally open from mid-March to mid-May. We went to Keukenhof at the beginning of April, and we were greeted by tulips in every color imaginable. In fact, 7 million flower bulbs are planted there every year, and there are 800 different varieties of tulips. New bulbs are planted every autumn manually by hand. There are also many other flowers at Keukenhof like crocuses, daffodils, and hyacinths. Located about 30 minutes outside of Amsterdam, Keukenhof is a must-visit place for flower lovers. The garden is a whopping 79 acres, and there are many winding paths lined with tulip beds, as well as indoor pavilions with more flowers and flower arrangements. There's a seemingly endless amount of tulips everywhere you look. When we entered Keukenhof, we walked to the southwestern portion of the garden where we admired the Blue River of Muscari, which are grape hyacinth. The Willem Alexander Pavilion is the largest pavilion that's primarily a greenhouse featuring thousands of tulips in bloom. There are also some Instagrammable displays made out of flowers, of course. There are a few things that we didn't get to do that I'd like to return to do, like seeing the iconic windmill or taking a boat ride. Though the average visit is 3 hours, I recommend spending at least 4 to 5 hours here. We only had a couple of hours and it really wasn't enough time. You can book your tickets for the following season starting in autumn. These are timed entry tickets, so you will need to book for a day and a time. Once you're inside the garden, you can stay for as long as you'd like. Make sure you buy your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment. I hope you enjoyed this brief glimpse into the beauty of Keukenhof, and it inspires you to visit this wonderful garden for yourself. For more worldwide travel tips and inspiration, hit that subscribe button to stay in touch. Thanks for watching!